Hello friends, in this lesson we will learn the if-else structure in Python. In our previous lesson we covered the if statement. Now we will add another part, else. So what is if-else statement? Here, for example, I put some statement. After that, I put else statement. We use if statement to check a condition. If the condition is true, the if block runs. If the condition is false, the else block runs instead. This allows us, this structure, to handle both cases, when the condition is true and when the condition is false. So let's continue our previous example. For example, is the number positive? I take some value, I get some value from my user, and I convert it to the integer. I store it in number variable. So I check if number is greater than 0. If it is, I will write print inside the print function, the number is positive. The number is positive. If it is not, if the number is not greater than 0, I will say in the else block, I will write it inside the print function, the number is not positive. It can be 0 or all negative values. If I run it, so I enter a number, for example 4. The code inside the if blocks runs. You see, the number is positive. I run it again. I enter, for example, 0. You see, the number is not positive, appears on the screen, because else blocks runs. I run it again. For example, I type -5. The number is not positive, appears again. Again, else blocks runs. So we get a number using input function. We convert it to the integer with int function. So I'm checking if the number is greater than 0. If true, it prints positive message. If false, 0 or negative, the code inside the else block runs. Here, runs. The important things about else block, else doesn't take any condition. We write like this, just else and colon. It only runs if the if condition is not true. Similarly, with the if block, the code inside the else block must be indented. We need to give a space where we need to give a top space from the beginning. Okay, super. That's all for this lesson. See you in the next lesson.